Hello, in this video, what I am going to do is to connect each devices using cable so I can practice my knowledge of what proper cable I'm going to use. Connect, this is what the instruction of this lab do. Connect the network device together according to the labels. Use the appropriate type of cable. For practice, assume that auto MDIX is disabled or not supported on the device. Yeah. So what auto MDIX do? What auto MDIX do is that, for example, you are talking to a Japanese person and they responded you with Japanese language. Of course, you don't understand that, right? So what auto MDIX do is it acts as a translator. Then if you speak to or you try to communicate with that person, it will auto translate what you said to their respective language so that you can understand it. That's what an auto MDIX do. But since in this video it says that for practice, assume that auto MDIX is disabled. So what I'm going to use only is this straight through cable and crossover cable. What straight through cable do is it connects two different devices, and a crossover is used to connect two same devices. For example, PC to PC, we use a crossover cable. Yeah. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Copper switch. Switch 3 to PC1, connect. Switch 4 to PC2, connect. Switch 2 to switch 4, so they are the same device. We use crossover cable. Then switch 1 to switch 3, same thing. Router 2 to switch 1, we use straight through. Router 2 to switch 2, we use straight through. Then in this place we're going to do the same thing, straight through, copper, then router. So here's the tricky part. We need to use a fiber optic wire for this connection because it says it is 3-kilometer distance. So what we're going to do is we will use a single mode fiber, because a multi-mode fiber only works for around 500 meter, I believe. So we use a single. Where's the fiber? This one. Gigabit Ethernet, just like that. And since this is 50 meters, we can still use a copper cable. Can still use because it's a 50 meter copper cable. Our UTP is good for a 100-meter distance. How about this? R3 and R4 says it has 250-meter distance. We cannot use a UTP for that. So we're going to use a fiber optic device. Again, we're going to use a fiber optic multi-mode in this device because it's a lot cheaper, and you can use it is practical for the distance. So yeah, that's it. This is the day 2 lab connecting devices. If if what I said is wrong, please feel free to comment and criticize it, because if you do that, I will learn and I will understand more about the network. Thank you so much for watching.